Sandy. I'm the education coordinator at the Fleet. Today, we are going to make rice dance with this cool baking soda and vinegar experiment. You just need a few items from your kitchen to create this activity.
For our dancing rice experiment, we're going to need 1 cup of water in a clear container. To that cup of water, we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vinegar. Now we're going to sprinkle in some rice. And we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of the baking soda. Observe what happens over the next few minutes. Eventually the rice will begin to dance. As bubbles of the carbon dioxide adhere to the rice is brought up to the surface. Once it reaches the surface, the gas is released and the rice falls back down again.
As the chemical reaction slows down, add a little bit more baking soda and watch what happens. Then add a little bit more vinegar and see what happens then. How long can you keep your rice dancing? What else can you make dance? Can we make popcorn dance? Can we make raisins dance? Do they all dance the same? Try it out at home and let us know.